Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To apply or change the various size and properties settings for a selected image, click the Size and Properties category icon within the Format Picture task pane to display the size, position, text box, and alt text category groupings. The options shown within the Size category grouping are used to set the size of the selected image. You can click the Size category grouping to expand it if needed and display those options. You can enter the height of the image into the Height spinner box. Enter the width of the image into the Width spinner box. To rotate your image, enter a degree of rotation into the Rotation spinner box. To scale the height of the image by a percentage, enter the percentage into the Scale Height spinner box. Scale the width of the image by a percentage by typing the percentage into the Scale Width spinner box. You can check the Lock Aspect Ratio checkbox to ensure that when you adjust the height, the width will adjust accordingly, and vice versa. Check the Relative to Original Picture Size checkbox to use the aspect ratio of the original picture as the ratio to preserve when making sizing adjustments. Check the Best Scale for Slideshow checkbox to automatically adjust the image size by scaling it to maximize its appearance during a slideshow. You can then use the Resolution drop-down to select the resolution to use. You can click the Reset button to reset any changes made to the size of the image if necessary. The options shown in the Position category grouping are used to set the position of the selected image within the slide. Click the Position category grouping to expand it and display the options. You can enter a measurement for the horizontal position into the Horizontal Position spinner box. Select from where in the slide to measure the horizontal position you've entered by choosing a location from the From drop-down. You can enter a measurement for the vertical position into the Vertical Position spinner box, and you can then select from where in the slide to measure the vertical position by choosing a location from the From drop-down. The options that are shown within the Text box category grouping are only used when setting the properties of text boxes in WordArt. Click the Text box category grouping to expand it if needed and display the options that you have for text boxes. However, if you have an image selected, these category settings will appear grayed out and unavailable as they are only used for formatting selected text boxes in WordArt. We covered these settings in a lesson in the last chapter. You can click the Alt Text category grouping to expand it if needed and display the options that you have for entering alternate text for your selected image. This category grouping is used to set a title and description of the selected image for persons who use a screen reader to read image content to them. Enter a title for the image into the title text box, and then enter a description of the image into the description text box. This information should always be entered for a selected image if you plan on publishing the PowerPoint presentation.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.